Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Kanban board in Trello. So first of all, open your Trello and right here we need to click on create new board. Then you need to give the title for the board. I want to title it YouTube. Okay, then here you need to choose the background. I'll just choose this one. Then click on create. Once the board is created, here we need to create list. So I have created the board for YouTube and according to that I'll just create list. So the first list name is going to be tasks. Okay, then the second is in progress, the third is done. So I have created three lists and you can just create as many you want depending on for what project you are creating this board. Then here in the task we can add cards, like I want to type here create thumbnail. Then the second task or the second card I want to add here is make video. Third is going to be edit video. Now here you can see I have splitted my procedure of making the video into three parts, and now I can, let's suppose the thumbnail is in progress, I can just shift it in progress. If the thumbnail is done, I can just shift it on done. Now it's time to make the video, so I'll just shift it on in progress. If the video is done, I can just shift it right here. Now if I want to create subtask right here, in that case you just need to open the card. Then here you will see the option for checklist. Just click here. If you want to rename it, you can rename as well. I'll just rename it to subtask. Okay, then just click on add, and here you can just create subtask. So let's suppose I type here shoot clips, hit enter. I'll again add the second subtask, which is edit clips, hit enter. If your subtask is done, you can just click here. If the second subtask is also done, you can click on the second one, and here you will see the progress bar also. And if you want to add the description for the card, you can add that here. And not only that, if you want to label the card, for that here you have the option for labels. If I click here, I can just choose the label like this one, and also you can just choose any color you want. Okay, and now let's suppose some people prefer to put image over to their card. You can do that here in Trello also. So for that, just here we need to look for option cover. Here it is, click on cover, then choose the image you want. Like you can just choose the image from your computer also. So this is the image I want to put. I can just double click on it, and yeah, you can see the image is right here. And if I close this, click on save, again close this, and yeah, there you go. We have created the task. Under it we have some subtask, and also we have put the image on it. So you can just shift it if the task is in progress or if the task is done. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can create Kanban board in Trello. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.